In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a logo carousel in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to add the logo carousel. Once you are inside the editor, click Edit Site to begin making changes to your page. Next, go to the left side toolbar and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This opens the panel where you can add new content and design features to your site. From there, select Gallery to view the available gallery styles. Look through the gallery options and choose a slider gallery or any carousel-style gallery that works well for displaying logos. Once you find one you like, drag it onto your page and place it in the section where you want the logos to appear. After the gallery is added, click on it to open its editing options. Then click Change Image. This will take you to the Image Manager, where you can control which images appear inside the carousel. If the gallery comes with default sample images, remove them first so your carousel only shows your own content. Then upload the logo images you want to display. Make sure you select the correct files and add each logo you want included in the carousel. Once your images are uploaded, arrange the logos in the order you want them to appear. This is useful if you want certain brands or partners to appear first, or if you want the carousel to follow a specific visual flow. After that, click Settings for the gallery. In this area, adjust the carousel behavior to match the style you want for your website. You can configure options such as autoplay, navigation arrows, transition effects, spacing between images, and loop settings if those controls are available in your selected gallery style. When the settings are in place, resize the carousel so it fits neatly within your page layout. Then move it into the exact position where you want it displayed. Make sure the logos are clearly visible and evenly presented within the space. Before publishing, click Preview to test the carousel. Check that the logos rotate correctly, the transitions look smooth, and the layout appears the way you want on the page. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the updated version of your website live. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.